साथ में बोलेंगे हाय गाइस.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sadia and I'm back with another video. So in today's video हम लोग एक Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sadia and I'm back with another video. So आज के वीडियो में आपने टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा, हम लोग करने वाले हैं
Best Sisters
चैलेंज. So in today's challenge हम लोग मैंने 5 क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर किए हैं एंड इसने भी 5 क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर किए हैं. सो वी विल बी आस्किंग ईच अदर द क्वेश्चंस एंड विल सी कि कौन किसको ज़्यादा बेटर जानता है. सो देयर विल बी पॉइंट्स, देयर विल बी 5 क्वेश्चंस आई विल बी आस्किंग एंड 5 क्वेश्चंस शी विल बी आस्किंग. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. First question I'll be asking and the first question is my favorite hobby.
मेरे को दिख रहा है.
It's like कि मुझे मेरे फ्री टाइम में क्या करना अच्छा लगता है. Done. One
Sorry यार मेरी हैंडराइटिंग बहुत खराब है.
and writing. 1, 2, 3.
What है? क्या है दिख नहीं रहा.
For Laiba I wrote eating and using phone and I like to do makeup and make YouTube videos in my free time.
Mine is dancing and cell phone use करना. तुम्हारा?
Wrong. दोनों का wrong है
दोनों का wrong
actually.
है.
Next question.
What I like to wear the most? A. Crop top. B. Off shoulder top.
Okay. Done. So we both like to wear crop tops actually, and yes, it is same. She also wrote the same. We both like to wear
Please
crop
ignore
tops
my
because
handwriting.
crop tops we can wear anywhere and off shoulder में it's very like कहीं पे पहन सकते हैं कहीं पे नहीं पहन सकते ना. I find off shoulder very uncomfortable, so we both like
Crop
crop
top.
tops. So 1 point for each of us.
No, yours.
Now my question. My next question is my favorite destination for vacation, for summer vacation.
Summer vacation.
चलो
Wait.
fast.
क्या?
Done. Mine is Maldives या फिर Bali and yours?
Dubai.
Hers is Dubai. So what you wrote for me? So your answer. America. So I get a point because I guessed it right. I wrote Dubai and she wants to go to Dubai for vacation and I want to go to Maldives or Bali. So she
Mine is
wrote
wrong.
America, so hers is wrong and I get a point. So I have 2 points now and she has only 1 point.
Now my question.
Next question.
What's मैंने मेरे मोबाइल में तुम्हारा क्या नाम सेव किया
अच्छा, what name have you saved on your phone?
in my contact? I know mine.
So
So
she
I
has
saved her name Diane and
I guessed it right actually.
in her contract my name is Sisso.
Sis.
Whatever. Sis.
So she saved my name as Diane and I have saved her name as Sis. So I'll be changing it and I'll be making it Chudel. My question.
So we got one point.
So my question is that if I go for shopping, so which is the section I'll be going first? Like which aisle I'll be going first to buy?
Obviously. Done. So you will choose, I
So-
think, makeup or shoes.
Mine is shoes or makeup, and hers is clothes. And yours?
Makeup and shoes and clothes. मेरा
Discuss the points later, but ये वाला question right था. Usually when I go to shopping, I'll go for shoes and makeup first. Makeup, you all know I am crackhead for makeup, and I love shoes also. So I'll go to shoes and makeup section. Clothes तो हम लेते रहेंगे.
And
And
I'll
she
go
will go
for
for clothes. I know that. Next question.
What is my favorite food?
Favorite
Like we have to write
food.
Domino's, McDonald's.
It's our
and
favorite
all.
food outlet.
Yeah. I know yours. Please
Done.
guys ignore my spellings.
So mine is
How do you know?
Subway and hers is Domino's. And
Yeah. But actually मेरे को लगा था तुम्हें मैकडोनल्ड्स मालूम रहेगा इसलिए मैंने डोमिनोज लिखा बिकॉज डोमिनोज इज माय
so my favorite outlet is Subway currently, and hers is Domino's.
डोमिनोज आउट. So you get 5 points. I got 2 points.
Yes.
Now
Abhi,
yours.
मेरा question. What is my favorite ice cream flavor? Seasonal and permanent.
सीजनल
And
सीजनल में तो
permanent.
सभी रहती है
नहीं.
तुम्हारी.
Seasonal and permanent.
You know my So guys, we are done.
For mine, seasonal is Sitafal and permanent is Belgian chocolate, and hers is Chocobite or else Belgian chocolate.
So I had written hers chocolate Belgium bite, like, and seasonal. She's eating mango and that only guava. Every time I went now, she is eating mango or guava. So what I and mango pieces.
Sitafal.
Mango pieces. You
Sitafal.
were eating
No,
mango
no.
pieces with in that.
Sitafal.
And mine is chocolate Belgium bite.
तो मेरा राइट था, इसका रॉन्ग था. इसको हाफ पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे.
Oh, what half points? 1 point, yeah.
चलो.
My कितने point मिले मेरे को? My favorite cartoon. Even you watch.
Done.
अभी खत्म हो गया है.
So mine is
Tom and Jerry.
Mine is Tom and Jerry, and hers is Doraemon.
Yeah.
Right? They will not understand your handwriting.
Doctor's handwriting.
So last question. मेरा last question.
No.
My favorite order at McDonald's and my favorite soft drink.
Yeah.
Done. Mine is American Cheese Supreme and Thumbs
And-
Up.
No, you
Thumbs
don't
Up or
soft
Slice.
Ouch.
So my favorite burger is American Cheese Supreme, and favorite drink is Thumbs Up or Slice.
Even I wrote this one.
And yours is what?
Mac chicken with extra cheese.
And Slice. So she doesn't drink Slice much. She drinks Thumbs Up, but she's drinks Slice. I don't know why.
Soft
And
drink से अगर खाली टाइम में मेरे को अकेले रहना पसंद है या फ्रेंड्स के साथ रहना पसंद है.
obviously
Done.
done. Click that na screen पे click कर. I am a big loner. I like to be alone all the time. I don't know why. Me and my phone, and she likes to be with her friends. So what you have written? So yeah, she also knows I'm a big loner. I like to stay alone only, and she likes to share with her friends. So yeah, guys, that is it for today. And if you liked my video, you know what to do.
Like, share and subscribe.
And you saw that we know pretty much each other quite well. So अगर आप चाहते हैं हम लोग और videos साथ में बनाए, so don't forget to let me know in the comment section below कि what kind of videos you want, and I'll be doing it with her. So
Bye.